Today we're going to calibrate a spreader. First thing we're going to do is walk 20-30 feet and see the width that this product is throwing. We're going to measure the width this particular product just threw. It's a pretty large particle size, so we can actually see it here on the ground and see how wide it was throwing. Right at 12 feet. So the next thing we're going to do to figure out our rate per 1,000 square feet is take 1,000, divide it by 12, which is the width that that particular product was throwing, and then we come up with 83.3 feet. I've marked the start point here of my 83 feet, and I'm going to walk 83 feet down here and mark my end point. We've marked both ends of our 83 feet, and now we're going to go put a known amount of product, probably start with 10 pounds, and walk these two known distances and try to get our 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet rate. Alright, I've weighed out 10 pounds of product. I'm going to dump that in the spreader and start trying to calibrate for my 5 pounds per 1,000 total product. I've adjusted this setting here and the cone setting down here on the bottom of the spreader to what this particular product lists for an Anderson spreader on its bag. It's a good reference point, but we always recommend that you calibrate like this before applying the product. I'm about to start walking, but a few things that are important is you want to walk at a pace that whoever's applying the product, try to mimic that as close as possible, or even have them walk this distance to get the most accurate calibration. If you're doing greens, you might be able to walk a little bit faster. If you're going to be fertilizing rough or taller grass, you probably want to walk a little bit slower to get the most accurate calibration. I'm going to dump this product back in the bucket and weigh it out, and this will tell me how many pounds per 1,000 square feet of product I just put out at this particular setting. That particular setting just put out 7 pounds per 1,000. So this is another good example of why you always want to check this yourself and not just trust the bag. Now I've refilled it with 10 more pounds. I'm going to make some adjustments to the spreader setting to try to get closer to my 5 pounds. We're going to give this another shot and see if we're closer to our 5 pounds this time. Just measured it out again, and this last time we put out 6 pounds per 1,000. So even though I turned it down 2 letters on this spreader, we're still putting out a pound too much. So I'm going to cut this spreader setting from L to K and walk this again and see if this gets us our 5 pounds per 1,000. We just walked it for the 3rd time, and we're going to weigh our product and see how many pounds we put out this time. started out with 10 pounds, and now we are dead on our 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet rate. It's important that you go through this process every time before you apply a product. This will save you putting out too much product, and then in turn can save you money. Also, there's a lot of products that when put out at too high a rate can be very detrimental to your turf grass.